Hey guys, this is Ryan with Beyond Microgreens and another episode, Cooking with Ryan. Today, another amazing guest. We have all these amazing guests. We're joined here with Brooke. And so she is a cooking expert. You have a certification, you said?
I am actually a yoga instructor and a law student. So
Amazing.
This is a super quick dish that you can whip up when you're studying or too busy at work and you come home and have some leftover fruit and arugula and can get it done.
Yeah, right. So what are we making exactly?
So today we're making an arugula, spinach, poppy seed, and grilled pear salad.
Amazing. That sounds great. One of my favorite salads, honestly.
Yep.
So what are we going to do first, I guess? So we have the salad, a little toss, but we haven't put any of the ingredients in. So what do you recommend us doing first?
Okay, so the first thing you want to do, especially if you're in a rush, is you want to cut your pears into a half, like long ways, and then you want to pit out the seeds and everything out. And then go ahead and throw like 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter or coconut oil, if you're looking to be on the healthier side, into the pan, and then just stick those pears with the skin still on face down into the pan.
Yeah, awesome.
And then from there, while those pears are grilling, you can start to prep your salad. I already threw some of this Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing in.
It's really good. I highly
You
recommend.
can find that at most food stores.
Yeah.
And then I chopped some walnuts really quickly with these chopped halved walnuts, and then you go ahead and throw those into the salad.
Now, Brooke, what's your favorite nut? My favorite nut is walnuts.
I have to say I like pistachio because I like a challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I was about to say, because you can buy them unshelled. But
Oh,
you
no.
like them shelled.
That takes all the fun out of it.
That's fair, I guess. Well, so like, I like unshelling peanuts.
Okay, that's a weird one.
Okay, well, it's like, what's that, Texas Roadhouse or something? They do that?
They have the peanuts on the
Yeah,
side.
I love
Okay,
that,
well
but
today we're working with walnuts.
I love
so
walnuts.
those walnuts are already, say about quartered, and then you go ahead and mix those in together.
Sweet.
And then another great thing to add in, it's more of like a summery salad, so good to transition into spring and if you're having any summer dinner parties. So you can take your favorite berry. Here we just had some blueberries that were in the fridge. Go ahead and throw those guys in there.
Sweet.
So just a super simple
Yeah, it seems
salad.
pretty easy,
Takes
yeah.
like 30 seconds to make.
Amazing.
And it tastes amazing too.
Yeah.
And then we'll go ahead and grab those pears off the
Grab
grill.
the pears.
After they've grilled for about 8 or so minutes on low.
Look at this.
So, need a plate.
Yeah, that's probably a good thing.
So we'll go ahead and take that pear and flip it onto...
Oh, lightly browned. Look at that,
lightly
guys.
browned.
Amazing.
Look at that pear.
See, you are like a certified chef.
Yeah.
You said you took some
I'm
classes?
an honorary chef, yeah. So I've taken some cooking classes with my mom.
I'm gonna put this one down.
Learned quite a bit how to chop some seasoning and everything, and just how to match flavors together. So we've got that pear there.
And then you're gonna put the cheese in the pear.
Yeah, so
Amazing.
Today we chose to use some raspberry goat cheese. You could use feta, you could use brie if you're feeling a little extra that day. But this leftover goat cheese is great. So you go ahead and take probably a little bit bigger scoop than that.
Might stick on the spoon, I'll help you out.
It's a little sticky. So go ahead and take that and pop that in there. It's very pretty. Just pop it right in where the seeds were. Looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put it there. And then you're going to put your salad on the side. One of the best ways to eat this is to have it like with a spoon too. If you don't want to eat the skin, you can just scoop it out and put it on top of your salad.
Although I kind of like the skin. I
I
don't know about you, but
to each their own.
fair enough.
And then you can take a little bit extra of that dressing and go ahead and drizzle it on that pear.
Yeah, this is super simple.
And then, of course, we have our grand finale.
Yes, the star of the show, guys.
So we've got to take some of those broccoli microgreens and pop them on top of the pear. If you want that little extra health boost, you can take those and throw them on the salad too.
Amazing. Now, Brooke,
would you look at that?
What's your favorite thing about broccoli booster?
I have to say just how easy they are to throw on everything.
Yeah.
I'm always traveling and busy with school, so having that extra little boost when I don't have time to roast a whole thing of vegetables is just really nice and easy. It's
And I mean, you can fit
it
in like a little bag when you travel.
Yeah, you can travel with it.
Super lightweight, small.
I'm one of those people, I'm a pretty minimalist person, so I only bring a couple things with me, my laptop, my microgreens.
Yeah.
phone charger.
Those
That's
are
all
the
you need.
essentials.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Yeah. Okay, Brooke. Well, go ahead and try it.
All right.
I'll dish up my
We
pear.
might need a knife.
It's fair. Well, luckily this kitchen has
Would you like to film how pretty my
easy
plate
to
is?
use.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay. Put that guy in there. That's going in there. Go ahead and cut that pear. Make sure you got to get those microgreens on there too.
It's the most important.
Blueberry in there.
Get. All right. Now, in the show, you already know we already do ratings. So, what do you think?
I got to give it a 9.
Oh,
a
wow.
9.5.
Oh my gosh.
That's like an A. That's like an A right straight down the middle.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
That's pretty good.
I'm excited to try this then. Let's see. It's
Yeah, that's really good.
just some of this
Should
out.
get those walnuts in there.
Yeah, that's my favorite part about this,
Mm-hmm.
probably. So we'll see. See how well your expert chef.
I gotta say, the
actually
pears, if you wanted to make this into more of a dessert, you could do that, but with like a little drizzle of honey or even some brown sugar would be good too.
Right. Okay, let's
Get
try
that
the
goat
pear
cheese on there.
and the spinach.
How is it?
That's a burst of flavor.
Yeah,
Great.
the cranberries really bring out the flavor.
The
of
goat cheese brings out, yes. And also the pear is kind of warm,
Yeah.
which is still nice.
Mm-hmm.
I recommend that just to have it. You know, you can have it cold,
Yeah.
but I like the temperature of the warm and the cold salad. I can get those walnuts super fresh.
Yeah.
Love it. I'm gonna keep eating this.
It's a
This
feel-good
is-
salad.
Yes.
And just so easy. I mean, how long did that take us? Like 5 minutes?
Yeah. I mean, the longest part.
Is grilling the pears.
Right, and that doesn't take too long. Wow. So you said 9. This is a high ranking one from the past episodes. I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
Tough grader.
This is tough. Definitely above a 9. I don't know what you're talking about, but
It's pretty good.
I'm gonna say like a 9.4.
9.4?
9.4 out of 10. That's pretty
I'll
good.
take it.
That's pretty good. I love that. This is my type of salad right here, especially with microgreens.
Yeah. Get that little added boost. You can feel good about eating it. You enjoy
It's
eating
amazing.
it.
It's absolutely amazing.
And what more could you ask for?
Exactly. So thanks so much for joining us on this amazing episode. And Brooke, where can we find you?
I'm off the grid.
Well, you heard it first. No, that's the very first of the Cooking with
You
Ryan.
can follow me on LinkedIn. It's Brooke
LinkedIn.
Mason. I go to Emory in Atlanta. So
Yeah,
you can
and-
follow me on LinkedIn.
And also, you said you are trying to find a job in the law area in Denver, correct?
yeah. So
Okay, well,
I have previous work experience in transactional law, and I'm looking to move out to the Denver area.
yeah, so any of our Denver, Colorado viewers,
Yeah.
hit her up. Very smart, amazing cook. So, I mean,
What more could you
for at
ask
least
for?
she could cook for you if she can't do law. So, thanks so much, guys, for joining another episode, and have a good one.
It's been a pleasure.